Anyone can go fast in a straight line. It's those who carve at speed that set the pace. And the Meta X's precision-tailored fusion of pliable textile segments, premium cowhide, and attack stance ergonomics let you execute with the mobility you need to lead. This extreme mobility starts with the full flex system, a precision-tailored combination of breathable stretch panels and articulated expansion panels, strategically integrated into the top-grain cowhide chassis that serves as the Meta X's first line of defense. Backing this external protection is a complement of CE-certified armor at the shoulders and elbows, combined with a removable high-density articulated spine pad. Or step up to the next level of back protection with the CE Level 2 certified Speedmaster 2 back protector. In addition, the Meta X has a suite of comfort-enhancing features that include a removable flexback insulated vest liner, low-profile mandarin collar, 4-point sure-fit adjustment system, and a uniquely tailored cuff design featuring an integrated stretch panel that dramatically increases adjustability and reduces bunching between cuff and glove. And finally, completing this formidable list of performance features are 2 hand warmer pockets, 1 internal chest pocket, and reliable YKK outer zippers. The Meta X. Set the pace.